Plants can germinate and grow in lunar soil, study says. Using samples brought back from NASA's Apollo 11, 12, and 17 missions, University of Florida biologists showed that a model terrestrial plant can successfully germinate and grow in diverse lunar soil. The tiny lunar garden was constructed as follows. The researchers used thimble-sized wells in plastic plates normally used to culture cells. Each well functioned as a pot. The scientists then filled each pot with approximately a gram of lunar soil. They dampened the soil with a nutrient solution and added a few seeds from a small flowering plant that's native to Eurasia and Africa. The model plant allowed the authors to gain more insight into how the soil affected the plants, down to the level of gene expression. The researchers were doubtful that the seeds planted in the lunar soil would sprout, but to their amazement, all of them did. Professor Annalisa Paul, first author of the study, said, "We were amazed. We did not predict that. That told us that the lunar soils didn't interrupt the hormones and signals involved in plant germination." However, as time progressed in the experiment, differences between the plants potted in the lunar soil and plants in the control group became noticeable. For example, a few of the plants grown in the lunar soil were smaller, grew more slowly, or were more varied in size than their counterparts. Professor Paul said these were all physical signs that the plants were working to cope with the chemical and structural makeup of the moon's soil. The authors are celebrating humanity's first steps toward growing plants on the moon. Scientists have wanted to do this particular experiment for a long time. People have always wondered if you could grow plants on the moon. The answer is yes. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the Science Knowledge Center for the most interesting science news on YouTube. Bye for now.